Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon sir. Today I will be creating a video tutorial about installing Laravel, explaining the MVC architecture and how it operates. And last, I will show on how to create a route, controller, and a braid file. First, let's install the Laravel. In installing the Laravel, you need to have PHP and Composer installed on your machine. Since I already installed it, you can get the installer in this link, this getcomposer.org/download. You can get the installer. And after this, let's open the command prompt and let's enter this composer create project Laravel and then your desired project name. So mine is, let's say, Isabel or Caron. And then let us press the enter. So yung Caron na nilagay po natin dyan, yun yung magiging project or yung file name dun sa yan. Let us, while waiting po na mag-install po lahat, let me explain the MVC architecture. Sabi niya po dito, MVC is a design pattern used to separate an application into three main components. Number one, the model. The model represents the data and business logic of an application. Number two, the view. View represents the representation layer or user interface of the application, and last is the controller. Controller, it acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. And next is on how it is operate. Number one, the user interacts with the application through the view. For example, is the web page. Number two, the controller receives the input from the view, interacts with the model to retrieve data, and then select a view to render. Next, the model performs the data operation and returns the result to the controller. Next, the controller then represents the data to the view for representation. And while waiting, let us now open the let us wait muna. In addition sa explanation and understanding the MVC architecture, the responsibilities of model is siya yung nag-i-interact sa database and sa other resources. Hinahandle niya yung application business rules, and then it notifies the view of any data changes so that the view can update accordingly. Another responsibilities of view is it renders the user interface or the UI, displays the data to the user in the form of chart, table, forms, etc. And then it receives input from the user and sends it into the controller. So, this is the responsibilities of the controller. It receives the input from user through the view, processes the input by invoking the appropriate methods in the model. It updates the model based on the user input, and then it refreshes the view to reflect changes in the model. So, ito yung isang example in a web application. The model manages data such as user information, handles business rules, and interacts with the database. Ayan. So, I guess tapos na po yung installing. And then, let us now go to the Visual Studio Code. And then, i-open po natin yung file or folder na let's go to the users, and then let us please select, and then let us go to the terminal. Ayan. Let's enter this PHP artisan serve. Ayan. Let us click po yung link dito. And then, mapupunta po tayo dito sa Laravel. Ayan. And let us go back to our tutorial. Let us go to the resource, and then let us go to the view. Dito, gagawa po tayo ng blade. Or the blade file. Parang name and say .blade.php. Yan. Dito. HTML5. Dito. Isusulat natin yung the title. Palitan natin to. So dito, gumagawa na din tayo ng example ng template ng blade. Hello page. And then, hello Laravel. Or kahit ano. P. This is a blade. Simple blade template. Yeah. And let us save this. Let's go to the route, the web.php, and copy paste. Then palitan natin siya. Yan. Then let us copy paste again. And let's save. And then balik ulit tayo dito kanina, yung nilagay natin dito na may slash Lindsay. Idudugtong lang natin siya dito and then let us press enter. Ayan. So, ito na yung simple blade template na ginawa natin. And I guess, tapos na yung tutorial and I hope na may natutunan po kayo. Yun. Thank you for watching. God bless.